first event of the day for the specialized operation, and I can assure you that we did exceptionally well. We see where the specialists come into action.
All right, so tell me, I mean, in terms of the planning and the execution on the day, what was the route like, for instance, for you?
It was a bit difficult than what I expected, but we maneuvered it and we completed it in approximately 5 minutes or less.
You hit some good plates today. What was it? What were you seeing out there on the ground?
Well, it wasn't what I was seeing, it was what I was hearing.
Yeah.
I was hearing a lot of my fans shouting, I mean the specialized operational team supporting, and the DWTT team just supporting us, telling us to control our breathing, breathe slow, inhale and exhale, then take our shot. And that's exactly what we all did.
It is a new experience. Overall, we stick to our game plan. We communicate it as best as possible. We just thought about it as if we went on a real operation, and we had to go in there, rescue somebody. Unfortunately, the scenario got a twist where we had an officer down, so we had to rescue the person plus our officer and get them out safely.
Well, at first, going into this event, I know that we have the capabilities of completing same and doing it in a good time. We have a slight injury from the sniper when he was traversing an obstacle. He hit his knee on one of them, but it is nothing really to worry about because we pushed through. We are Jamaican, so we come right to the finish line with everything. Blood, sweat, and tears all out there.